Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we have taken it from topic of differential equations. And in this question we have been told that 8 root x root of 9 plus root of x dy that is equal to given to us as root of 4 plus root of 9 plus root of x the whole inverse dx, right? And further we have been told that x here is greater than 0 and we need to find the value of y for 256 where y of 0 is given to us as root of 7. So we need to find the value of y when x is equal to 256. So let's understand first of all how to solve this type of question. So first thing, if I try to solve this differential equation, let's do that. So I know 8 root x, then I have root of 9 plus root x dy that is equal to 1 upon root of 4 plus 9 plus root x dx. So first thing I can do here is I can take this x terms also on the right hand side. So it actually becomes dy is equal to 1 upon 8 root x root of 9 plus root x. So these two terms I've taken on the right, and also we have one more term 4. So root of 4 plus root of 9 plus root x. The whole thing with dx. Now one thing I understand here is I can see that root of 9 plus root x and root of 9 plus root x here also is same thing. So I understand one thing here that I can substitute this entire term of 4 plus root of 9 plus root x dx or 4 plus root of 9 plus root x as some variable. Let's put that. So let's put that as equal to t. So when I take this as equal to t, now let's take the derivative and understand what do I get here. So if I take the derivative of this, so I get constant's derivative is 0 already. So 0 plus root x derivative, we know it is 1 upon 2 root x. So root of this entire expression will become 1 upon 2 root of this entire expression. Further, we have to take the derivative of the term which we took as x. So it is 9 plus root x again. And the dx is that equal to dt. So now if I further take it, I get 1 upon 2 root of 9 plus root x. Derivative of 9 plus root x also, this is 0. And the derivative of root x is 1 upon root x. Dx is equal to dt. So now what I get here is 1 upon 4 root x and root of 9 plus root x dx is equal to dt. But now if I see the entire expression which was given to us, this we have substituted already as t. And we are left with 1 upon 8 root x and root of 9 plus root x. But we have got it as 1 upon 4 root x into root of 9 plus root x. So if I multiply both sides by half, I can get this entire term to become 1 upon 8 root x as we need it. So let's do that. So it becomes dt by 2. So now if I substitute whatever I have got in the entire expression which was there in the previous page, so now I can write this entire expression as, we already know now that x upon 8 root x into root of 9 plus root x, that is equal to dt by 2. So now my equation entirely becomes dy is equal to dt by 2, and 4 plus 9 plus root x, we have taken it as t. So this root of that entire thing becomes root t. So we get it as root t. Okay, so this we can solve it further. Dy is equal to dt by 2 root t. Now if I use the differential idea, I'll take the integral on both sides. If I take the integral, this becomes y is equal to half is as it is, and integral of 1 upon root t, that is integral of t raised to minus half dt. So it becomes y is equal to half t raised to minus half, that becomes x raised to n plus 1. So t raised to minus half plus 1, t raised to half upon half. So this half and half gets directly cancelled out. And we have also got a constant, that's c. So we get here y is equal to square root of t plus c. So now I do not need my entire answer in terms of t, right? I need it in terms of x. So if I resubstitute, I can resubstitute t as 4 plus root 9 plus root x. So now my solution of this differential equation of y is equal to root of 9 plus x plus c, which is the constant of integration. Now let's try to find the value for c. We have been given a condition that says y of 0 is equal to root 7. So when we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to root 7. Right? So it is given to us, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to root 7 there. So root 7 is equal to root of 4 plus root of 9 plus root of 0 plus. So I get here root of 4 plus square root of 9 plus square root of 0 is always 0. So 0 plus 9 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3 plus. So I get here root of 7 is equal to root of 7 plus c. If I solve this further, I get c as root 7 minus root 7. That's equal to 0. So I get this constant of integration as equal to 0. So if I substitute that c's value as 0 here, I get my solution of differential equation and terms as y is equal to root of 4 plus root of 9 plus root of x. So this is my solution of the differential equation. And in this question, we have been asked that when x is equal to 256, what is the value of y? So let's put that. So putting x is equal to 256, y is equal to root of 4 plus root of 9 plus root of 256. So now, if you see the square root of 256 is 16, so 16 plus 9 is 25. So square root of 25, I get that as 4 plus square root of 25 is 5. If I extend it here, it becomes root of 4 plus 5, that is 9. So y turns out to become 3. And that is the answer for the question which is given to us. So we get the answer for the question that was asked to us, that what is y when x is 256. We have got the answer for this question, that y is equal to 3. And the option here which matches with the question is A. So A is the correct answer for the question here. I hope you have understood how to solve these types of questions, right? Where we just needed to substitute 4 plus root of 9 plus root of x as another variable t, and we got it solved within lesser time. So it actually becomes easier if you substitute it as another variable. And then we just needed to substitute values and find out c. And once we got c, we got our solution. Then we just needed to put x as 256 to get y. I'll meet you again tomorrow with the next question. Till then, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, share these videos with your family and friends. Thank you.